There are numerous advantages to having a mini fridge in your home. For example, if you're a gamer, having a mini fridge next to your gaming setup would look nice, and you wouldn't have to get up and go to the kitchen simply to get a Coke. Fortunately for you, in today's video, we'll go through the top 10 best small refrigerators you should buy. Please note that this ranking is based on personal preferences, customer feedback, and overall value for money. For more information about each mini fridge, see the descriptions below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Please leave a comment below if you'd want me to cover any additional topics, we'd much appreciate it. The Midea is number 10. On Amazon, the Midea fridge has over 4,826 reviews and costs $252.99. The Midea has a movable door hinge that allows it to open from either the right or left side, making it easy to fit into any room. This little refrigerator is ideal for dorm rooms or if you have a small gaming area in your home. This mini fridge weighs roughly 57.2 pounds and has a temperature range of -11.2 degrees Fahrenheit to 10.4 degrees Fahrenheit. A removable wire shelf that allows larger or irregularly shaped goods to be stored in the refrigerator. The refrigerator has earned an Energy Star rating, and it operates silently with a sound level of 42 decibels and low energy usage, making it ideal for compact dwellings. A mechanically adjustable thermostat allows you to maintain the ideal temperature for your cooled object. Front legs that can be adjusted for different heights to maintain adaptability. The RCA is number 9. The RCA refrigerator has 3,544 reviews on Amazon and costs $319.50. It includes a thermostat that can be adjusted as well as compressor conditioning for maximum cooling even in the warmest conditions. Despite its small size, it has a 2-door configuration, similar to typical room-sized refrigerators, with the freezer on top and the refrigerator on the bottom. Quiet technology keeps sound to a minimum, 25 decibels, so you can rest easily. Semiconductor refrigeration chip is Freon-free and environmentally friendly. With a 3.2 cubic foot capacity and a weight of 57 pounds, it saves you room so you can add more appliances, and the reversible door makes it even easier to use for both right and left-handed people. The Arctic King is number 7. In comparison to the other refrigerators we've discussed, this one has a different price tag. The Arctic King sells for $450 on Amazon and has over 7,256 reviews. Even though this fridge is considered small, it can hold a lot of items. Weighs 5 pounds, and has 2 shelves. Because of its size and benefits, this tiny fridge is ideal for college dorms. The Danby shop is number 6. The Danby refrigerator costs $316.19 and has 164 reviews. This Danby Designer mini fridge is the appropriate size for your bedroom, office, or dorm and fits perfectly on countertops, desktops, or the floor. Tall bottle storage with integrated door shelving is great for large bottles of pop, water, juice, or other beverages. Can storage incorporated inside the tiny refrigerator door is both efficient and tidy. This little mini fridge has a smooth back design and no unsightly exposed components, so it can fit almost any place in your room. You won't have to do any extra maintenance because of the automatic defrost and mechanical thermostat. The Astroal shop is number 5. The Astroal mini fridge, which costs under $39 on Amazon and has over 31,900 reviews, is the cheapest mini fridge so far. This little fridge is a complete departure from what we've previously discussed. It's also available in a variety of colors, including black, blue, pink, teal, and white. This fridge can also be given as a gift. The Astroal Micro Fridge is a small refrigerator that may be used to store groceries, drinks, snacks, breast milk, cosmetics, and skincare. It's perfect for usage in your bedroom, office, dorm, travel, boating, and camping, among other places. It is also transportable. The removable shelf makes little items like breast milk, skincare, cosmetics, or food easy to separate, making it a fantastic present for both women and men. The tiny refrigerator may be connected to either a 100 to 120 volts home power supply or a 12 volts automobile power supply. Quiet technology keeps sound to a minimum, 25 decibels, so you can rest easily. Semiconductor refrigeration chip is Freon-free and environmentally friendly. The caynel is number 4. The caynel, like the earlier mini fridge we discussed, is far more attractive. The caynel tiny fridge costs $49.99 and has received over 1,705 positive reviews on Amazon. It is available in 6 colors: black, red, teal, green, yellow, and pink. The caynel cooler, warmer micro fridge chills 6 12 ounces cans and is small enough to carry along with you. The tiny fridge's small size, stylish design, and convenient carry handle make it easy to take it with you wherever you go. The caynel tiny fridge's thermoelectric system makes converting from beverage cooler to food warmer a breeze. With the flick of a switch, you may cool up to 45 degrees Fahrenheit or warm up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Even when unplugged, the well-insulated interior maintains the warmth. The one-of-a-kind semiconductor operation is energy-efficient, ultra-quiet, and completely eco-friendly. There are plugs for both regular 110 volts, AC, household outlets and 12 volts vehicle chargers. You can use it at home or on the go. Ideal for personal spaces, road trips, camping, and other outdoor activities. There's a retractable shelf for storing small items like food, drinks, and snacks. Skincare and beauty essentials benefit from the efficient cooling temperature. Keep all of your favorite skincare, personal care, and beauty products in one place. The Teccpo is number 3. In terms of space, I believe this is one of the greatest mini fridges on this list. It costs roughly $400 and has over 761 Amazon ratings. This compact fridge is particularly ideal for small places like dorms, offices, garages, and infant rooms. This Energy Star compact fridge uses only 0.6 kilowatt-hours of electricity per day, costing only 7 cents per day. It also has 6 temperature settings ranging from 23 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has one-button defrosting, which allows you to defrost quickly by pressing the defrost button in the middle of the temperature control knob, which eliminates the need to worry. The strong refrigeration compressor not only performs admirably, but it also operates quietly. When working, the noise level of this little refrigerator is as low as 37 decibels, which is comparable to whispering, causing no disruption to your work or rest. The reversible door and leveling leg features provide the tiny fridge additional flexibility in terms of placement. For your convenience, it also includes a crisper drawer and automatic lighting. In the tiny freezer, there are also shelves and ice trays. The commercial cool is number 2. Due to its cost-effectiveness, the commercial cold mini fridge is known to be purchased for convenience. This tiny fridge costs $119.99 and has received over 105 positive reviews on Amazon. It has a sliding wire shelf that can hold tall bottles and has a wire shelf that can slide out. There's also a small freezer compartment in the fridge that comes with an ice cube tray, adjustable leveling legs, manual defrost, and recessed door handle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this before we reveal the best mini fridge. The first on today's list is the Galanz. This is the most attractive refrigerator on today's list. It is available in a wide range of sizes and colors, including black, white, red, green, and blue. If your home is decorated in a retro style, this refrigerator is a must-have. This fridge costs $223.89 and has over 1,159 Amazon reviews. More space in a small package. With the freezer, it's much more convenient. Galanz tiny fridge has a 3.1 cubic feet capacity and takes up very little space. It's ideal for all your favorite drinks and snacks, from fruits and vegetables to ice creams and quick frozen delicacies, thanks to its real freezer. The interior can be customized and different types of food can be separated with the help of removable slide-out glass shelves. The interior is illuminated by a bright LED light, making it more convenient for you. Galanz retro refrigerators feature a high-efficiency, low-energy consumption R600A compressor to quickly cool goods while using less energy. It is a quiet mini fridge for the bedroom, dorm, office, apartment, and so on, with a running noise of less than 42 decibels. You can easily set the temperature you want by turning the knob. For diverse purposes, this intelligent tiny refrigerator has an adjustable thermostat control with the control dial 0 to 7, the bigger number the cooler. That's all we have for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed it, and please let us know which mini fridge sparked your interest in the comments section below. We'd love to know. Please remember to subscribe, like, and switch on notifications for more videos like this if you enjoyed today's video. Also, please let us know what other videos you'd want to see from us in the comments section below. We'd be grateful. Take care, and I'll see you later.